It's terrifying and upsetting to lose friends or fail to inspire others. Knowing what's in this video sooner will help you make friends faster. Number 1. Don't criticize. People are mostly motivated by passion rather than reason, so criticizing or pointing out errors is not at all useful in helping people learn and alter their behavior. When you criticize someone, they feel attacked, and instead of changing their conduct, they will defend their stance or fight back. Therefore, criticizing others will merely serve as a way for you to let off stress. It won't do much to affect their behavior and will only serve to erode their respect for you. Number 2. Make your appreciation look honest. To be admired by others is one of the most powerful motivations for human behavior. Appreciation will always be a much greater motivator than the prospect of punishment to get others to do something for us. But you must be sincere in your gratitude. Number 3. Show sincere interest. Be a good listener. Talk less and listen more. Everyone wants to talk and wants people to listen to them, but few people are good listeners. Being an excellent listener will make you more likable. Make others feel comfortable talking about themselves. Display a genuine interest in them. Giving someone else your undivided attention is the definition of true listening. Avoid interfering with them or getting sidetracked. Number 4. Smile. The impression we give off is mainly influenced by our behavior, not by what we say. Therefore, smiling is the finest approach to convey to someone that we are pleased to meet them when we first meet them. Just as we feel happy when a dog wags his tail wildly in response to our presence, we tend to prefer someone who smiles at us. So smiling not only makes others happy, but it also makes us happy. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.